How to play games in Facebook Messenger. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video we will see that can you play games in the Facebook Messenger. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So guys, the thing is that there is no feature in the Facebook Messenger where you can play games, but you can play games in the Facebook app. Just open the app and tap here, then here scroll down and here you will see gaming. Tap on it. Now here in gaming you have to tap on here in play, on play in the top, and here you can play games with your friends and family. To play any game, just tap on the game you want to play and tap on here play on Facebook in the bottom. Wait for it to load. And once the game is loaded, you can play online multiplayer, private multiplayer versus computer, or you can tap on local play. So this is how you can play games on Facebook and not the Messenger. Thanks for watching.